Hey there, hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be talking about why high mileage vehicles are better and why I started this channel. It seems like our culture has gotten to this place where you need to buy a car every 3 years, and as soon as a car gets over 100,000 miles, people start thinking about buying a new one. Now, part of that could be because yes, the quality of manufacturing and longevity in vehicles has gone way down in recent years. There's way more plastic, we have way more emissions components, and there's just all kinds of worker-related problems in these factories that are just causing issues in the manufacturing process. Not to mention, a lot of these companies make money when they're selling new cars. In order to sell more new cars, you want the life expectancy of your vehicle to continue to go down. But buying a new truck after yours gets to 100,000 miles is an expensive proposition. You can't even get your foot in the door now for less than 60K. And so part of the reason I started this channel was to help you keep your truck for a long time so you can get your money's worth out of it. Even though the parts that our trucks come with are made poorly, the good news is that if you know where to find them, the aftermarket parts for newer diesel trucks are available, and a lot of them are really good quality. It's like these companies want us to get stuck on this wheel, right? Where we're just trading in vehicles every so often and we just keep a payment going in perpetuity so they can keep claiming the profits that they've been getting. And I want to reverse that. I know capitalism needs people to buy new things to function, and yes, I understand the need for that. I buy new things myself all the time. So here's my thought. Higher mileage cars are better because one, you get your money's worth out of them. You're able to pay them off because you have them longer. And then you're just able to use the car without having any sort of liability attached to it. Liability as in debt. Now, if you're able to take care of it and put miles on it well after when it was supposed to, for lack of a better term, shit the bed, you're going to be cheating the system and getting more out of your car than what you paid for it. And that's even more important now with the astronomical prices of these vehicles. The other thing that makes high mileage vehicles better is that usually in order to get to 300,000, 400,000, 500,000 miles, whoever owned them had to take care of them because stuff breaks. My truck's only at 140,000 miles. I've replaced the steering, I've replaced shocks, I've replaced the tires several times. Can't even remember how many oil changes I've done. But if you're getting a vehicle to high mileage and keeping it in running order, chances are it has a lot of new parts on it and a lot of things that have been swapped over to the aftermarket. And that's why I started this channel, right? Power stroke maintenance I created because I have this obsession with just putting as many miles as I can on my vehicles. I don't just do it for fun. Like, I work as a professional filmmaker and I tow campers, which both involve a lot of travel. And so I'm driving anywhere from 5,000 to 8,000 miles per month. It's fun driving a lot. It's fun racking up the miles on your truck. And, I don't know, I saw a short a while ago where a guy was saying, oh, I can't believe this happened, and he had like 10,000 miles on his new truck. It's like, well, why did you buy it? You have a $1,200 a month payment for something you're not gonna drive? Like, how does that make sense? Just don't buy it then. At the end of the day, cars and trucks are meant to be driven. That's why we bought them. So the more miles you put on them, the more money you're getting out of it, out of that investment. And so that's what I'm doing with my channel. I'm trying to get my truck to high mileage. I want to help people maintain their vehicles so they can also get them to high mileage, so we can get off this Ferris wheel of, having to go back to the manufacturers every 2 to 4 years and buy a new car or truck. Thank you for watching this video, and please join me. Subscribe, share how many miles you have on your vehicle. Again, I have a newer 2019 Power Stroke, but I have so much respect for those out there that have older, early 2000s or 90s or 80s vehicles that they're still running and they're high mileage, because really they're doing more favors for us than, people buying their brand new Tesla. And I think it's awesome when people can keep a vehicle for a while, and because it just shows so many good qualities, discipline, being able to stick to a maintenance schedule, attention to detail, just all kinds of stuff. I honestly feel like as part of job interviews, people, like employers, should ask what a person's maintenance routine is on their vehicle, because you can tell a lot about a person by how they treat their car. I think treating the possessions that you have, including your vehicle, with respect and taking care of it really in the long run just creates a positive cycle for you. So subscribe and we'll see about getting this truck to 1,000,000 miles or more. Cheers.